Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have an unboxing for you. Now this come to me from a company. They contacted me and they wanted to know if I wanted to show one of their products, and I said of course. I've done an unboxing for them before, but it's been a while. So this came through Amazon, but I took it out of the big Amazon box. But this is from a company called Toheto. And this is an A4 ultra thin portable LED light pad. And we are going to open this up and see what this looks like. But first, it comes in this box. You can see it's not very thick, but on the box it does say LED light pad, easy tracing, draw what you see what you draw, A4, and then it has a picture of somebody tracing, and then it says eyesight protected. It has scale, ultra thin, and adjustable brightness. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now I have not opened it up. I have not looked at it. I just took it out of the Amazon box. So first off, it comes with all of the accessories, and that is the first thing I pull out. And then the second thing is a cord. And then that is all that is in the box, so I'm just going to set that off to the side. Okay, so we have some papers. I'm going to set that off to the side. And then here is the light pad, and it has got these styrofoam bumpers on the corners, so it is nice and protected. So let's look at this first before we take everything out of there. Now this is a type C cable, so this is supposed to be a better type cable than an SUV cord. It's supposed to be, harder or more difficult to break, or anything to mess it up. So I know a lot of cords are going to the type C cords. Okay, it comes with a natural pencil, as you can see, and it's a pretty long pencil actually. And then we have, this is actually pretty nice. It comes with a pencil sharpener. Pretty nice pencil sharpener. And it comes with a really nice eraser. It's very big. Alright, so I'll just put those back in there. And then it also comes with 4 magnets that will help hold your paper. And these are pretty strong magnets, like really strong. But it will help because this is magnetic. So it'll help hold your paper down on there if you are going to use this for tracing, or if you're going to use it for diamond painting, it will hold your canvas on there. So we're going to set those over to the side. And then let's look at the paper that comes with it, because this is not just for diamond painting. This is for artists who like to trace. This is for, you could take a coloring book and cut the pages out of a coloring book and put on here to trace. A cartoonist, digital people who like to do all kinds of drawings and stuff. We have a dog. We have another dog. So it gives you some ideas. And then we have a fly. And then a mouse. And then it gives you a few sheets of blank paper. So, and then like I said, it gives you, it has these on there so that it keeps it from, you know, getting messed up in shipping, which is a wonderful idea. And I would keep these so that if you had to store this for any reason, you could slide those back on there. Or if you wanted to take this on a road trip, you could put those back on there. Alright, and then it has these instructions on here. Operation instructions. All of that. It does have a film on it that you can take off. That's just an inspection. You just peel this film off when you get ready to use it. And like I said, this is magnetic. So you can put these on here. See? They're not going to fall off. It has these non-slip little feet pads on here. That's going to keep it from slipping when you have it sitting on your table. It also, if you can see, it has a ruler right here on the side and on the top, so that you can, you know, if you need a certain scale, you'll have it. You'll be able to see it. And then here's your on and off button. And this also has a bright and a dim. And you just hold it. I don't know if there's enough charge in this. No, let me plug it up. I guess you do have to have it plugged up for it to work. I know some of them you don't have to, but I guess this one you do. Now you will have to get your own charge box. The cord's pretty long, so okay, let's see. You reach over here and unplug something. Not that. Oh gosh. Let me see. What do I have over here that I can unplug? Well, alright, let me pause and let me go find a charge box. Okay, so I put a charge box on, so now we should be ready to roll. Alright, so we've got this turned on. I'm going to turn that light off. So you just hold it, and that's the brightest it'll go. And then you hold it for all the way, you just hold it, and it'll go all the way to the lowest. And then you tap it, and it'll turn itself off. Tap it again, it'll turn itself on. Tap off. So tap it to come on, and then you hold it until, so if I just want it to there, I'd let go. So there's no, a lot of them is like tap once for high, tap again for medium, and then tap again for low. This is, you just hold it, and then once you get it to where you want it, you just let go. So let's see. So that one's on there. So if I wanted to trace this dog, I would just get a piece of paper. Just get my blank piece of paper. I'd put the dog on there. Then I could put my blank piece of paper on there, and I'd just trace him onto my blank piece of paper. And if I wanted to do a diamond painting, I could just put this on there, and it just shows up so much brighter, and you can see all the detail in there than you would if you were just doing this, with the naked eye. I mean, it is amazing the difference in using a light pad and not using a light pad. I mean, it's crazy. So yeah. What do y'all think? I think it's pretty nice. Now everybody's eyes are going to be all messed up. But yeah, I think this is not bad. If you need, you don't really need a great big huge light pad. I mean, even if you have a great big canvas, this is the only size that you need. You don't need a big light pad unless you just want a great big light pad, because you can just take a size A4 and just, move it around. Or you can just take your canvas, just like with this being a long canvas. I just take my canvas and just move it as I go. So yeah, you don't have to have a great big huge light pad. And this is not a bad price either. It's $19.99 on Amazon. And I will leave the link in my description box, and y'all can just hop right over and check it out. And I just want to thank Toheto for sending this to me, for thinking of me again. Like I said, I have worked with them in the past, and I'm very happy that they thought of me again, and I appreciate it. So yeah, I'll leave all the info in my description box, and y'all go check out their light pad. I mean, they've got a lot of light pads, but this is a pretty nice one. And like I said, I love that the edges are rounded, because some of the others are squared off, and if you hit them, I mean, that's it. They're really thin, to where this one is it's thin, but it's not like thin. And I like that this is solid white. So yeah, I really like this one. So what do y'all think? Have y'all used a light pad before? What do y'all think about this light pad? And again, the company's name is Toheto. And like I said, I will leave a link in my description box, and y'all go check them out. And thank you to the company for sending this to me. And until my next video, I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.